Northbrook market report for April 2023. So our prices are up to $609,000 is our average sales price. That is up 7% over this time last year. Our market time is down 32%. It only takes 41 days to sell a house in Northbrook. That's the average. And our list price to sales price ratio is a whopping 99%. Can you believe that? Sellers are getting almost close to their asking price. And the number of closed transactions are down 21% over last year. So what we're experiencing in Northbrook for 2023 so far is that it's a strong seller's market. And it's a simple supply and demand issue with Economics 101, where we have more buyers than we have sellers. So if you've had any thoughts of selling, let's connect. We'll talk about your equity position and what it takes to sell a home in Northbrook in this climate. So what I'm seeing at open houses are people that are moving from the city. We're seeing people coming from other areas of different suburbs west that are coming here to Northbrook, and sellers who are leaving the state or sellers that need to downsize. Those are typically the demographics of the movers these days. So I'd love to connect, and if there's anything I could do to help, whether you want to talk about a project that's coming up or some design help, I've got great providers. I'd love to connect.